Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to collect emails on Google Sites in, just a few simple steps. This is the full 2026 guide, so let's dive in. First, open the Google Sites website and sign in with your Google account. Make sure you're using the account where you want to collect emails. Next, go to the page where you want to collect emails and add a Google form. Click the Insert menu on the right, then select Forms. You can either create a new form or use an existing one. In the form, make sure to include a field for email addresses. You can mark it as required, so every visitor must enter their email before submitting. Yeah, and customize any other fields as needed. Finally, publish your Google site so visitors can submit their emails. Click the Publish button at the top, check your site address, and yeah, that's it. Your form is live and ready to collect emails, and that's all it takes to collect emails on Google Sites. Super simple, right? Don't forget to check your form responses in Google Forms. And yeah, subscribe for more tutorials like this.